Alright, so today's Saturday, about 10 o'clock this morning. Got both go-karts in the trailer. So here we are. We're going to race this black one first. We raced it last night, cleaned it up this morning, changed the oil. Cleaned the clutch up. It was starting to engage last night, so took that apart, serviced that. And pretty much just cleaned it up and sprayed it down with WD-40, so preventive rust maintenance. And that one was already clean, so that one will be ready for Cotton's Corner tonight for the points race. I'll have to take the wheels off. I'll probably put them on this cart today, depending on how it handles. So make some adjustments to the front end on this black one last night. Seemed to help out a little bit. So yep, this is where we are. Fixing to head out and gonna go have a little fun today. Hopefully might be able to get this thing in Victory Lane, which is in Victory Lane right now, as you can see. Checkers. But anyway, this is where we're at. We'll go take a shower and get my suit, which my suit's already over there. Get my helmet, get my GoPros. Got some new action coming for y'all this evening. So y'all stay tuned. I'll have a new video, and I think y'all like this a lot. Stay tuned. Alright, we're en route to first track for today. So we're heading to Rolling Hill Speedway in Roxborough. We're coming through Berea right now. So like I said, we're hitting 3 tracks this weekend. We hit one last night. That was at my house. So I got the cart kind of dialed in. And so the cart I drove last night is the one that I'll be driving today at Rolling Hills. It's the Titan T5. And then tonight we'll be racing the Nemesis, the white cart, at Cotton's Corner tonight. That's for the points race, and hopefully everything goes smoothly. I got done a little something different to it, and so I got some new footage for y'all coming. Should be today at Rolling Hills and at Cotton's Corner tonight. I think y'all gonna like what's coming to you. Different views, and I'll just leave it at that, and let y'all see on the next video clip of the races, and let me know what y'all think in the comments. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. It's completely free. Give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Alright, so 12 o'clock, pulling in Rolling Hills. Let y'all see the entrance. There we go. Got action on the track.
Really too. big tough one right here. Big tough right here.